Just something to note, there isn't a single button in Canva called Magic Design. To access Magic Design, just click on your search bar, whether in the Canva editor or on your Canva homepage. So here on the Canva homepage, we're going to come over to our search bar here, and I would like you to make sure this template is highlighted depending on what you want to create. And when you come to the search bar, you can type in what it is you want to create in Canva. Create a thank you post for our event attendees with share for graphics. You can say what platform you're creating for, whether you're creating it from Instagram or Twitter or Facebook. But if you don't want to specify the platform, you can just type in what it is you want to design. So I'm going to hit on enter on my keyboard. So Magic Design has done its magic. That's giving me a lot of thank you posts here. You can filter it by category, by style. You can scroll through all of it and see what you want to work with. So I think I saw one I like up there. I think I like this one. I'm going to click on it. Once it opens up, you can go from here and customize the template. If you've opened it and you don't really like the way it looks, you can see where it says more like this. You can come down and see more other templates that you can use from here. You can just scroll down so you can definitely find what it is you're looking for here. Go back. You will click on customize this template to make it your own. This is the template we chose and it has opened on the Canvas editor. This is what the editor looks like where you will edit your templates, your designs. So I want you to take note of some few things here. On the left panel here, you will see the design tab, you will see the elements tab, you see all these tabs here. For the design tab, you can switch off design, change templates, find template and pick styles and layouts also. For the elements, any elements you're using, for anything you're looking for to add to your design you're working on, you're going to find it from the element library. If you look here, there is audio under here, there is videos here, there are photos, there are graphics, stickers, shapes, charts. Anything you're looking for, sheets, pools, and quiz tables, you will find from this elements tab here. For the text, this is where you're going to add text box, different text styles. This is where you're going to do some amazing things with text. This is where your brand is set up and you can do all of that from here if you have a Canva Post subscription. For here, this is your upload tab where you can bring in images, video, audio, and now you can also group what you're doing in folders and you can also have the designs you've worked on here. This is your toolbar, your projects, and your app. Now, for this template we've opened and any other templates you're going to open, when you click on any element on your page, you want to start customizing it. When you click on it, it will open up this priority toolbar that you can start using to change the font size, the text color, all these things you can do to your text. I want us to go to position, and if you come over to layers, you will see everything that is on your design page that you can work on. On the templates you've chosen, you can actually customize. So now let's go back to this one. Say we want to switch up the fonts we use for the thank you. So we decide to use this font. You see that change the whole vibe of what this looks like. You're actually making this design your own. One thing I also like to quickly do is to change the name of the document here to call it what I can remember whenever I come back to design. It's important to do this so that you can always find what you're looking for at any point you're looking for it. It's very important to change the design here. When we click on this one, you can change things here. Let's touch on this one and probably change the color of the text. So let's pick this color. Say for instance, you no longer like this template for me. This template is not working for me. You want to change it up. I'm just quickly going to add a new page And let's go over to design. I still want to put Canvas Magic Design to good use. So I'm going to use the same prompt we used on the home page. Remember what I said? That you can find Magic Design, you can get it to do the work for you when you use the search bar, either in the home or in the Canva editor. Now we are in the editor. This is how to put Magic Design to use. I'm going to type in the same prompt I pasted before and let's see what Magic Design comes up with. So this is what Magic Design gave us. Let's click on see all so we can see everything it gave us. Let's pick this one. So you just choose from what Magic Design has given you. See a new template crafted for you. So this template was crafted because of the search prompt you gave to Canva. So Canvas Magic Design did its magic and brought you this template. So we're going to apply this template. If we click on the background of this, it's going to bring up the toolbar and you can see what you can do with it. So for now, we want to change the color of our background. So we'll touch on this and switch the color to this yellow color. Yes, you see the whole vibe has totally changed. Probably you want to change this imagery. Let's go to the element, or you have a different image you want to input in this list. You can quickly upload it through the upload tab here by coming over to upload and clicking upload files. So upload your files and use that. But for me, we're going to go to the element tab here and let's search for cheerful black lady. And you can see this section you have, it brought it in graphics, in photos, in videos, and all the. But we are going to focus on the photo section because we're actually looking for photos. We're looking for cheerful black lady or ladies. So you go through it and see what you're looking for and select an imagery that works for you. So this pretty much works. I'm going to hold this image now and drag it because I want to replace the one in the box and make sure it's replaced. Yes, you see it's replaced. One more thing you can do is to click on the box and come over to crop here. Remember, once you click on anything, you can actually work on it. You can decide to move it or expand it depending on what you want to do. But I think I like it as is. You see, we've switched up the whole thing Canva gave us and we have a pretty much new design. You can come to the text and come here. Let's change up this text if we want to write something different. Let's use the magic write and say rewrite text. Canva AI rewrote the text, and if you like the text more than what you have here, you hit on replace. So I'm going to still come to this box here. I want to change the color of the borders. And once you're happy with the design you have, we can go over to share here and click on download. Let's select the second page because that's what we worked on. Click on current page. We didn't like the first page and you click on done and you hit on download.